Route 12A, Miller Liberty, leaving the Blake Transit Center. The stand is on 4th Avenue, heading north. From the stand, you will proceed north on 4th Avenue. We're at Liberty. This is considered an Ann Arbor local. It is a loop run. Therefore, your fare box shall always remain on inbound. Washington Street. Approaching Huron. On the left side across the street, we have the Washtenaw County Courthouse. We will continue north on 4th Avenue. Our next turn will be at Catherine, a left turn. Catherine is the second stop sign after you pass Huron, approaching Ann Street. Approaching Catherine, we'll make our left turn. Note the stop. We will continue across Main Street. At Main Street, Catherine becomes Miller. After we pass this intersection here at Main Street, we will be on Miller. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Please remember to adhere to all crosswalk rules here in Ann Arbor. Whenever there is a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right of way. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. We're approaching Miller and Newport. This intersection is a time point. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. It is our last stop prior to making our left turn. We will be making our left turn at the light at North Maple. You will notice the Speedway gas station on the right-hand side. This could be used as a landmark to indicate that you're turning. Notice to stop approaching our Blue Line bus shelter. Stop approaching here at the AATA Club. Very popular social service center in Washtenaw County here in Ann Arbor. Stop approaching. We will continue south on North Maple. We're now approaching Dexter Road. Stop approaching. Our next stop will be the exit for the Maple Village Shopping Center. This stop is also a time point. Time point stop. On the left, you have Memorial Park. Approaching Jackson, you will continue straight across Jackson Road. Once you cross Jackson Road, it becomes Stadium Boulevard. We will be making our next right turn on South Maple, which is the next stoplight beyond Jackson Avenue. Stop approaching. Here at this light, you're going to make a little right-hand jog, a right turn here. You will still be on Maple. Our next stop is a very popular stop which services the Kroger Shopping Center. There's also a shared route on the other side. Stop approaching. The 8 and the 15 also comes northbound this way to service the Kroger shopping area. Our next turn, we will be making a left turn at the traffic light, which is Liberty. This intersection is a time point. Liberty and South Maple. is a stop immediately after turn. Notice stop. After you service that stop, you want to get in the center lane as the opposite sides become right and left hand turns. We're going to continue across Stadium Boulevard. Continuing on Liberty. To stop in front of the GFS Food Market. Stop, Zion Lutheran Church. Note the stop coming. Again, service a reminder to follow all Ann Arbor crosswalk laws. Whenever you see a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, must yield the right of way to said pedestrian. Stop approaching. At the traffic light, we will be approaching 7th Street. 7th Street and Liberty. This serves as a time point. Continuing eastwardly on Liberty. Notice stop. Notice stop. To stop here at the stop sign. St. Paul Lutheran Church is on the left-hand side. At the next traffic light is 1st Street. We will be making our right-hand turn. Also note that we are approaching a succession of railroad crossings. We will cross these tracks 3 times prior to making our left turn and including our left turn on William Street. Just a point of note, there are 3 sets of railroad tracks. The first one is prior to our right-hand turn here on 1st Street. There are no stops on 1st Street, so after you make your turn, you want to get all the way over to your left-hand lane. Note the second set of tracks. We will be making our left turn here on William. And the last and the 3rd set of tracks. At the top of the hill, just prior to Main Street, note the stop. This is our last stop prior to the Blake Transit Center area. Get over to your left-hand lane. It's a good place to make certain that your signs switch over. Cash out your registry. And prepare to go into whatever other route unless otherwise instructed. The 12 is through rider with the 9 Monday through Friday, the 12B on Sundays, and the 8 Monday through Fridays at night and on Saturdays. Blake Transit Center area.